Right, next, question 3. Question 3 is about drawing slant lines. But this is no ordinary slant lines. It has to be roughly 30 degrees. So how do you estimate 30 degrees on a paper? Many will say use a protractor. Now, you are not supposed to use a protractor. You're supposed to use techniques and approximation. So I'm going to show you a techniques that I recommend for you to draw this 30 degrees slant line. Now, look at this worksheet. You actually have a center divider line and the base of the box. Okay? So what you need to do now is to assume that this base of the box and the center dividing line makes a perpendicular 90 degrees. Next, you ask yourself, where could 45 degrees be? So, roughly, if I'm not wrong, it should be around here, 45 degrees. Next, 30 degrees should be lesser than 45. So, I will do a rough estimation of 30 degrees at this point. Using the earlier techniques or lesson you had of how to draw a straight line, you have one point, you have another point, and you are now trying to sketch the straight line using the technique you were taught before. And so this will be the guiding 30 degrees slant line for you from now on. So with this, you will continue estimating with this in reference, draw the slant line. And when you are more confident, try to space your dot further apart and try to practice as much as you can. And there you go, the slant line and approximately 30 degrees. Do the same for the opposite box, but this time round in another direction. Okay? So I'm not going to talk too much, I'm just going to do it and show you. 45 degrees about here, 30 degrees is about here. So this is my reference slant line in this direction, and using the dot method and approximate making this as a reference, I draw the other possible slant line. Okay. See? Somewhere here again. There you go. Question 3.